What's going on, guys? It's been a crazy morning. I had to step away because I got super triggered. I had a great morning. It stopped recording. I accidentally, when you hit spacebar and you're still on OBS, it stops the recording. So I got my whole pre-market analysis, and then as I was trying to load up my frickin' orders here, I stopped the recording. But anyways, I traded NQ a bunch. Let me go back to the NQ chart. I went over the whole plan pre-market, and I was looking for longs if we made it down into the 05, the 14.5, 14.92, 14.507 area, like all in this area here. I was looking for longs, and I caught the long. I got stopped out. I let it reclaim the level. I got stopped out. Or no, sorry, it comes down into the level again. I hesitate, and as it comes back up, I take it, and then like I sell, and I'm shorting into the highs. It was a really good morning, and then I took like two razor fast stop outs on MNQ, and one of them on NQ with just one contract. I traded two contracts at one point, and then I took a razor fast. Was it this one here? I like sold the short and got long. I think, yeah, it was in here. 15 points gone. So that triggered me. So I immediately sized down and I went to MNQ. I take it, immediately get stopped out again. Razor sharp, razor fast, stop out. 15 points. This market is crazy. Look at this. 1560 down to I don't know why the hell I said 1560. 560 down to 390 something, right? So almost 200 freaking points. And so I got stopped out once, and then I took it again with MNQ. I only have three of them. It's nothing crazy. And almost got stopped out there. So I had to leave the room. I came back in, super triggered. The P&L is crazy today. It was all over the place at the beginning with that first stop out, and then the long, and then the double short, and then the long, and then the stop out. So when this happens, I size down and I sort of just chill out because I want to be a part of this long. I really do think we can get all the way back up to like the 90s here, which is another 50 points. And on MNQ, even though it's a smaller position, this will give me another couple $100 at least. So, wow, what a crazy morning. So what I think I'll do is I'll splice in the pre-market because I just looked at it and it's all there up until about 9:30 or 9:20 something, and yeah, it was good. I went over the weekly, the monthly, the daily chart, and I think it was pretty good, and it worked exactly how I'd planned. It's just in these volatile environments, I get very, very triggered, and it's easy for me to get emotional, and just like get all flustered, right? Like even now, I'm still just trying to chill out. I'm gonna have some water here, but yeah, trading is gonna do that to you, especially when the numbers are bigger. So you just have to have a process in place to man, I can't even speak. You have to have a process in place to deal with that because in the past, that's when I size up. I start taking like, oh, let's take 7 contracts or let's do something stupid because you get in a trade stopped out and you're down $300 or $400 just like that. It's pretty triggering. So I didn't do any of that. I did not size up. I took some extra trades, but they were valid setups. So yeah, let's do that. I guess I'll splice in the pre-market, and then maybe we'll leave it at that. But let's try to let this trade play out a bit first here, because I know everyone wants to see the live trading. I wish I just had more, right? Like I took the hourly level here. Where is it on NQ? This setup right here, the top of this candle is 12, and I got filled at 12 15-point stop, didn't touch it. Almost got stopped out. It didn't, and now it's pushing back up. And I really do think we can get back towards highs. I don't think the short is in yet. I think this is the big sell-off, the big short trap, the first sell-off, as they say. And I think we're going to continue back higher. Now, I don't know if it'll be straight up, but I think we'll at least head back into the 70s, the 80s here. So I'm going to hold on to this for that. It's small size. Like on NQ, if you were up 40 points here, that's what, $800? I would have taken that off for sure. But this is more of a swing trade, so I'm going to actually... Where am I going to put my stop? So the long is at 27, which is about here. We can at least move it back up to here. I don't want to lose that much at all in this trade, but I don't want to put a break even quite yet. So yeah, so that's what happened. Just waiting for the target. We'll cut it now because the video is going to be fairly long as it is. So thanks for watching.